Hello friends and hello student. My name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the style resource in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better way my video lecture. And here Eclipse ADT bundle that I already opened. And in window, you have to know we have to launch first our device and that I already create one AVD, my AVD. I select and start and launch. So when we can take our design and coding, so our device is ready. So yes, you have to, yes, now our device is coming. So I take as minimize and yes, I close this window and now we can create in file menu new and Android application project. So I click and here we can use as a style resource. So yes, I give the style underscore res. Okay, so that we have to identify that our app's name. And next I press this next button again here that our Android underscore demo, that is a work page folder. So ADT bundle store that Android application project, that folder known as a work page. So that perfectly selected, otherwise you have to uncheck and you can select your appropriate folder. Now again I select and next, second time I press here that we have to not change our Android icon and that our that color is default is white. You can also change, but here no, I can change. Next, third time blank activity, yes, that's selected. And yes, here that main activity, that is our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is our layout XML based file. So now I finish. So all is perfectly and takes some process. So yes, that now I think our app is create. So yes, here some take process. Yes, now that coming. And here our device launch. So that is a log cat logging and cat means catch. So that is a going on process. And now I double click. So that is a full screen and we can use apply to our hello world. Yes, that is a style resource. So I apply this hello world and that is you have to know that in graphics layout and activity underscore main, that is our XML layout. So default is a relative layout and one text view is there. So we can use this hello world to some style. So let us take, I double click so our screen and that you have to know anatomy. If you not watch that my video lecture, you can watch which folder residence, which file in Android. So here res folder, that is a value folder, and my previous video lecture in resources I cover dimension, string and color. Now I can cover as a style resource. So I double click that style and here you can look some, give the example. So let us check. I open this tab and double click. So here that giving how to create your own style. So that is a, we can take anywhere, but here we can take as a last. So here that is a style. Yes, so style, both style and themes are defined in the style block containing or more string or numeric value, typically color value or reference other resource drawable and so on. So we can take as a style and giving the name, that is a, like I give my style, you can give any name. Yes, my style. And then close tag, so that is a end tag is automatically right. And now we can take here, that is an item, that is a child tag. And now we can take control space bar, so you can look, that is a name, that is our all property. Control space bar again, so we can use like some properties. So here you can see very so many properties there. So we can use some, yes, here first we can text and style. So you can look text size and style. So I first provide your size. So that is a in between, we can provide the value. So text size, yes, that I provide like 20 dp or sp. So that is independent pixel, and sp is scalable independent pixel. So density independent pixel dp. And now, yes, again that you can apply any number of means style means different type of attributes in Android. So now again I use yes Android, and that we can take as a text style. So I again press text and style S. So that is a coming. Yes, here you can look. So text style, what to do? So here we can provide. So that is a like we can provide as a bold italic underline. So I provide as a bold. That is our style. And now width height is already that in hello world, that is setting. So here we can uh, take as a text color. So I again assign item, then name, that id means and property. So here we can say that text color, so that is appear. And in between we can provide color code. So that is a s sign, that is a an f, so that is a red color. So RGB, so F that on and other two is 0. So again, yes, I use item, and then we can take like again that name, and again I provide like we can say that capitalize. So yes, that is a what to do. So capitalize means our character. So that is capitalize, and in between you can say that yes, let us check yes that character. So that perfectly. Now again I use as a new, so name. Yes, so we can provide and in the control space bar you have to provide that list. So capitalize type, that is a face. Yes, so type face, and then in yes that not taking double quotes. So yes, we can provide, and then let us check yes. So yes, we can take as further. So here that is a better in double quotes. So type face, yes, and close. So that is a now perfectly ending tag is right automatically. So yes, typeface we can take as like we can say that monoface. Yes, so many style we have to define. So you can use any number. There are so many items so that attributes is there. So we can take as a name, yes, equal and double quotes, and then you can look here so many alpha that is on click. So text auto background, yes, here you can provide also. And so check yes. So here I just show you how many possibility you can with height. Yes, that is column content. So here so many that the height and width also there is. So I think sufficient. So let us check. So anyone, so you can look here, height is hint. Yes, you can also use as a hint. So when that is a, we can take as a mouse over, so that provide a hint. So let us take a hint. Yes, where is hi? Yes, now coming. So here we can take yes any resources we can use, like here I give that is a first text view, that is our control first text view. So that is a sufficient. So I can save yes. How to apply? So first yes, there is, so here that is a bold yes. So that is a not supported in style text style. Yes, that is a bold perfectly. So let us check. So yes, that is a bold. So yes, and that DP yes, that taking error here S SP instead of okay. So here we can provide in SP, not as a DP. So I can save. So let us check. I save. So yes, all are well. Now yes. So bold why that not taking text that we have to take as a text style. Yes, bold. So yes, perfectly. So any yes in double quotes is not provide here. Yes, you can look here that is a not provide double quote. So that taking error. So all format is perfect, and yes now error is gone. So double quotes we have to take and that property. So now we can apply the first. There are two way we can apply. So first is a static and second is a dynamic. So you have to know in my previous video lecture, I taking both way. So here we can style attributes or style resources. Yes, all attributes we have to see in style XML file. So now we can apply, yes, here that is a by default hello world that string resources use. So how to apply? Yes, here Android and colon that you have to know. First we can XML. So here that is a text appearance. Yes, that property name text appearance. And then we can control space bar. So here you can look that all resources coming. So like Android ID, dimension, drawable, layout, menu, string, and style. And then our style is my style. So that is only one style. So I can save, just save all, and let us check that is a static. So that directly effect in graphics view. So look here. So all effect is coming. So that hello world is a red color, yes, and bold, yes. So all are effect that appear. So yes, I think that perfectly, and we can change. Yes, let us check. I color change. So here I use as a green. So FRGB. Yes, and bold. Yes, I monopace. We have to paste type. So that is a not bold. So I remove this. So I double click so you can watch better. So I can remove one attributes and save. And now let us check. So in graphics, so that is a static, so you can look now that is a bold. So monopace that not taking bold over, so both we have to not use. So now that hello world is perfectly, and we can take some brick size. So here I use as a 30. Yes, so let us check. I save again. So anything you have to change for save, and then you can look. So hello world is some big that text size. Okay, now what to do? So now I can take as a here large text view. Yes. So that is a we can apply as a dynamically. Yes. So here we can create is second style. So yes, I copy this style. Yes, and paste, and we can change something. So here first I change that ID. So I like my style too. Yes, and here we can change like that is a large. So that is a by default that's some big size. So here we can provide 40 and italic. Yes, here I use italic. So and color is RG, so blue. Yes, and that character is yes capitalized first. Yes, here yes you cannot check as a hint. So we can say that a second. Yes, so all I can change and control S save. So you can also some more all so many attributes in style item tag. So you can apply all, but here you can look that not apply because we have to. And here I take as a yes that hint is provided as I think runtime. So whenever we can take as mouse over, so that is a first, yes, that is a effect in because hint. So we can as a placeholder, so that we can use in the like a label. Yes, so let us check. And now how to apply as a dynamic second way. So that is a static way. Now I go in src and our main activity.java file. You have to know when we can apply in dynamic ways. So we can take as a reference first that control. So that is a text view. So I take as a text view in library. So that is a T1. Yes, that package is automatically import. We can take from library. And now what to do? Same process. T1 find u by ID. That is a method of activity class. And r dot id dot yes or text u2. Yes, you can also change that ID, but here we cannot change. So text u1 and text u2. So I use that text view. So here I do T2. Yes, I not use as T1. So you can understand that we can apply in large second text view, and type casting is needed. So that taking error, I type casting. And now what to do? So here we can apply as a dynamically way. So yes, at T2, we can say that set text that text appearance. Yes, you can look here. So set text appearance, and here that is a first we can application context or main activity dot this you will also pass. Yes, and here that is a get application context. So that is a contact class. Yes, let us check this method is a contact class, and now we can select our ID from that style.xml file. So what to do? So here that is a capital R, and we can say that style. Yes, I so many resources all appear, and we can select as style, and you can look style 1 and 2. So style 2 I apply in semicolon. So that is a perfectly. So here you can look all that our device is ready. So I open the lock. Now we can run our apps. So let us take. So here, yes, just only one line. Yes, I device what to do. So first we can take, yes, I full screen. So here we can text view 2, that is a reference, then find view by ID, that is a activity, and return the view class. So we can need as a typecasting. So text view, which control you can take that appropriate typecasting, and set text appearance. Yes, and get application context, and two argument you have to pass, and r dot style dot our style name. So my style 2. So style 1 we can apply. Yes, here I take 2 my simple my style and my style 2. So here we can change all these attributes, means that value, and apply first that text view hello world as a static, and now second large text view I take from our palette window and apply as a Java file. So when you can apply in the XML, means our XML file, main activity.xml file, so that is a static way. Yes, here our hello world, so we can apply this text appearance, same property, you can look same attributes. So here my style, that is a static way. And when you can apply second, means dynamically way, so you can use as a Java main activity Java file. So that is a both way you can apply all resources, not the only style, but all resources. So now I run these apps. So here we can click as right click in this style res, that our app's name. Yes, I press as a right click and run as Android application. So look, our device is ready, and now that takes some process. And yes, so that is a compilation all over. Yes, you can look APK file. So Android package in bin folder that store. So our apps is yes, and dex Dalvik executable file class.dex and style res.apk. So like we can Google Play Store, we can install our apps. So that is also install this virtual device, and then that is a running. So yes, look now that yes, you can look hello world that we can change. Yes, that is our first we can take as a hello world, but large text. Yes, here that is a not effect. So let us check what is a problem. So I yes here text you yes text you 2. Yes, let us check our text you 2 is there. So our XML file. So here text you 1. Yes, so that is a hello world. Yes, that is a text view, and that is a large. So that is a second text view. So yes, that is the ID we just change. So here two hello world, and here is one. So yes, that is a why that is a default is one ID. So that is a taking our text large text is a one, and here two. So that not effect. Yes. So now we can change. Yes, here now we can take as a I object also, means reference also change. So text you one is a large. So yes, I change, and here that style name is all are well. So that perfectly. So I can save. Yes. So text you uh, one. Yes, here we can change also ID. One is our large text. So let us check. Yes, I again confirm. So yes, text you one, that is a large text. I can change. Yes, here we can say that style resource. So you can observe a style resource, and style resource as okay only style resource dynamic. Yes, so I can change the text. I that is a we can save all. Yes, here all are saved, and now again I run. So that is a change that means ID is not proper. Means text u1 is a hello world and text u2 is a our text, but here that is shifting. So that ID is not perfectly, so that not give any effect runtime. So let us take I save and run again. So now that is a we can also change that text style resource dynamic. So that is a text all effect as a runtime, not as a design time. So let us check in graphics view. So text is changed. You can look here, style resource dynamic, but that effect is not applied because that is a not static way. So in XML file you can apply that is same time you can observe in your graphics layout, but in Java file you can apply, you can run your apps and then see your observation. Yes, here you can look. So style resource. So yes, that is a can our device is some so we can say that that size is we can take big, but I also so here I take some in above and some that's our that DPI change. So here I take like 25. So that is a some size is decrease. So let us take I again run that save and run again. So let us check. So second time is very fast taking output. So first time that loading some process like APK and DX file, but after that directly just look here that is go our previously output and now latest our changing that new that output is coming. So only two text view we can use. First as a style is a static in activity underscore main.xml file. So and then second yes now you can look. So style resource dynamic. Yes, so that font yes here you can look that is italic format. So all are well. Yes, let us observe. So here that is a bold and that is a first, but in second yes I again open our device. So 40 yes 40. So yes I change in that first. So here yes italic and color is blue characterized. Yes, first letter is characterized. So first is appear and text that is second. So that is our hint. So yes, hint is a like a placeholder, but that is a we can use in the edit view. Here we cannot apply. Yes, that is a edit text. Yes, that is a better. So I remove these hint attributes. So that is a better for edit text in text view that not apply any hint is that placeholder. So which value you can supply at a runtime. So like roll number, student roll number name. So that is a when we cannot input that hint is appear as a placeholder text. So in text view that is not means use. So here not required. So I remove. Yes. So I just testing. So yes, I hope yes all is well. How style resource style in the res that resource folder and then value folder. So in my previous video lecture, you can watch dimension, then string and color. I also take new XML file and here we can use as a style. So I take as a step by step. So just I think we can take only, yes, I just summarize. So we can use as a default hello world that is a static way in XML and then apply as a very simple. So only text appearance and at that style and style name ID. And second way we can apply in Java file. So text you find you by ID, take from ID and set text two argument get application context and r dot style dot your id name, and here we can apply some attributes. So yes, for hint I can delete. So that is a better in edit text, not in the text view. So yes, I hope yes you can enjoy this session and understand how style resources work in Android. So subscribe my channel Ashok C. Jalakani, press the bell icon to never miss any update. Thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture, and Hare Krishna.